All right, so today we have the pink translucent 58 millimeter Victorinox knife. Now it does come with the tweezers and the toothpick right here, and then it comes with 3 basic tools, and then you have the knife, the knife, and then you have really handy dandy scissors. Now this is for people that just need something super simple to take on them with their car keys and stuff like that. You're not going to use this to survive, right? But just if you need something really quick, just in case you need to cut something, that's what this is made for. It was around $20 to $30. Do I think it's worth it? No. But it is so cute, it's so handy. My girlfriend takes it with her everywhere. And I mean, honestly, you can't go wrong with something like this. It's a great addition to your collection. And just for reference of how small this is, I mean, this can fit in an Altoid can. I mean, it's got infinite uses because of the size itself. But this is my 91 millimeter deluxe Tinker right next to it. And I mean, it's just, the size difference is insane. This is awesome if you need something for your pocket.